Okay, you say, good. And now tell me, how is the weather today? Okay, you say, it's sunny and hot. Okay, right. Good. Now, how old are you? You say. Okay, now say again. I'm 5 years old. Oh, very good. Now look at me. What animal am I? Meow, meow. I am a. Now one more time. I am a cat. Oh, very good. Okay, so look at this. Today we learn about the
pig says oink, oink.
Oink, oink.
I am a pig.
I am
Oink, oink.
I am a pig.
The cow says moo, moo.
The cow say,
I am a cow.
moo.
Moo, moo.
I am a cow.
The sheep says ba, ba. I am a sheep. Ba, ba.
Okay, so you say, I am a sheep.
The hen says cluck, cluck. I am a hen. Cluck, cluck.
Okay, I am a hen.
The horse says neigh, neigh. I am a horse. Neigh, neigh.
I am a horse.
The duck says quack, quack. I am a duck. Quack, quack.
I am a duck. So, okay, look at this. I have some pictures. How many pictures are there? Now let's count. 1. So, how many pictures? You say there are. Now one more time. There are pictures. Okay, very good. And look at this. What animal is it? Now you say cow. Cow is a cow. Now you say. Oh, good. Now, and next, look at this. What animal is it? Oink, oink. What animal say oink, oink? Is it a cow? Is it a cat? No. Pig. Pig is a pig. Now you say. Okay. And next. No. What animal is it? You say horse. Horse is a horse. Now you say. Okay. Now next one and the last one. Let's guess what animal it is. Cluck, cluck. What animal say cluck, cluck? Is it a dog? No. Now you say hen. Hen is a hen. Now you say. Oh, well done. What animal is it? Look at this.
What animals are they?
What animal are they? They are. Now one more time. They are. Check. Now, they are cows. Good. Now, they are cows. So look at the cow You say, there are. Okay, now. Good. Let's check.
They are cows.
They are cows.
What animal is it?
What animal is it? You say, is a. One more time. Is a.
It's a horse.
Very good. Is a horse. So look at the horse. How many legs the horse have? How many legs does the horse have? There are. Okay. And you say, there are 4 legs. Okay, good. Look at this.
What animals are they?
What animal are they? You say, there are. Now, they are. Let's check.
They are ducks.
Yes, they are ducks.
What animals are they?
What animal are they? You say, they are. Now one more time. They are. Now let's check.
They are sheep.
Yes, they are sheep.
What animals are they?
What animal are they? Point, point. You say, they are. Now one more time. They are. Okay, now let's check.
They are pigs.
Good. They are pigs. And the last one, look at this.
What animal is it?
What animal is it? Cluck, cluck, cluck. What animal is it? You say, is a. Now, one more time. Is a. Okay, so let's check.
It's a hen.
Good. Is a hen. Okay, so look at this. Tell me, what animal do you like? What animal do you like? I like duck. So, what animal do you like? You say, I like. One more time. I like. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. And see you later.